Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a transfer from Revolut to Danske Bank. So what you'll need to do is open up your Revolut app and right here go to payments. As you can see right here, I will mark it up. Go to the payments at the bottom of your screen, and then what you'll need to do is simply go right here where it says bank or international, then select and add a bank recipient. So right here, put the right currency for Danske Bank and put correct IBAN. Then put all the required information right here, and after clicking this white arrow, you will be able to set and put the amount that you want to send, and that's how you do a transfer from Revolut to Danske Bank. That's pretty much it. See you in the next one.